got this headwind pushing against me. In addition to that, I'm going close to the board's limit for my weight. So I can't tell if it keeps giving pushback or if it's the wind. I suppose I should just take it back enough just to be on the safe side, especially considering I'm not wearing my protective gear. I don't recommend that. It's just such a nice day. It's been hot as balls out here lately, and it's finally a nice day. So what's up, everybody? Welcome back. This is Rip and Ride Volume 3. Okay, back to what I was saying. Rip and Ride Volume 3. And actually, this is going to be a special one if everything works out as planned. And I'm on a rescue mission, so this is going to be Rip and Ride and rescue. That's 16.5 miles an hour right there. We'll see what the watch says, because I'm going to do an overlay with this using my Garmin Fenix. My Garmin Fenix 5X. So you should be able to see exactly where I am in the map, and also that's kind of creepy. Maybe I won't get that far, but you'll be able to see the speed anyways. Fuck, dude, that's 17.4. Okay, I've never made it that fast. I should slow down. I hope I don't wipe out. Push back. Okay. Slow down, John. Alright. I imagine it's either washed away or the riverbed has covered it, sediment, dirt, shit. But we're gonna try and rescue it anyway. So I will see you guys in a minute at the river. So that was the Park Service out here for the county. So I imagine they must be a deputy sheriff, maybe a ranger of some type. But yeah, he's on horseback, so that'll get him around really quick. So I may not fly out here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll play it by ear. We're still going to try the rescue, though. All right, so had to come back, show you guys the horse. I'll turn this back on when we get down to the river to try and rescue this molten, muddy quad. See you guys in a minute. So I hit 18.4 miles an hour, guys. That's pretty cool. Just got done talking with a really nice couple. They were inquiring about the Onewheel. They thought it was the coolest thing. I thought I had something cool. What the hell was that? That was like that was like the 3-horse. That was a 2-person, I don't even know, mind blown. That was 2 people on one bike. So it was like 2 wheels, and then it split up and it had 2 seats, 2 handlebars, but yet it was on one track, 2 wheels. Amazing, amazing. Coming up on the bridge. Rescue mission has commenced. We're not gonna find this thing, but whatever, we'll give it a shot. Okay. So here we go. This is where he downed the quad, right back there in the street. Like 4 months ago, 5 months ago. There is no chance in hell we're gonna find it, but I gotta try. So let's go do this. I have no idea if this is even gonna work. We have this giant rat's nest that I made, an entire thing of fishing line. I got a weight on it, and I got it tied to 50 feet of paracord. And I'm just gonna hook this out there and then kind of drag it across the bottom. I figure if it's there and I happen to get lucky, I can hook it on a prop or an arm or something, and it'll get caught in here and I can pull it up. I just hope that I don't get any turtles or anything. I do have gloves with me in case I do, so I can get the turtle out. I tried for probably a good hour. I threw that thing so many times. Nope, giving up. But I can say I tried. So yeah, the one wheel's doing something kind of strange on me. It was weird. It felt like I was just riding it and it just kind of lost power. And like it was still balancing me, but it didn't feel like it had the authority. So I stopped, chilled out for a few minutes. Seems to be fine again now. I checked the app and it didn't say anything, you know, as far as like any warnings. So who knows? Okay guys, well this was supposed to be a rip and ride, but there's security for this substation, there's cops, there's park rangers everywhere, so next time. I will say this though, it's been one hell of a ride. It has been fun. I broke my top speed multiple times. I thought I broke the board. Thankfully I didn't. Cruising at 17.5 right now. I guess I kind of hit a new comfort level with the board today, perhaps, because before I was just afraid to push past 16.2, I think was my max.